Hi, my name is William Higgins with WiMAX ATL. We are a certified reseller for the new Clear wireless broadband service here, at least in Atlanta, Georgia. Many other cities in the United States are on the rollout path. But today we're going to do a short unboxing of the Motorola WiMAX Wave 2 USB adapter. This is some people call them air cards. This happens to be a USB adapter that will attach to your computer, home computer or laptop, and provide you with the wireless WiMAX service directly to the device. Here in Atlanta, the mobile WiMAX is going to get you about 4 meg download, I think about a half a meg upload. That is at least 3 times more than any of the air cards by Verizon or AT&T, anything like that. We are talking 4G. So let's get into it. Box is pretty simple. As you've noticed with the logos, this is a Motorola device. Motorola, as well as Google and Comcast and Sprint, a number of other very large companies are stake owners in Clear. Clear is the parent company name, I guess you could say, but Clear is what it's being marketed as here in Atlanta. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Got here, simple white box, not much to it. Opening up. Let's see. Of course, we have a thank you letter. We will certainly look at that in more detail later. A quick start guide, which does appear that for this model we are going to have to install from a CD some drivers. I've been told that other versions will have the software actually loaded on the USB device itself. Anyway, we'll get into that later. And some more marketing material. Hardware protection, a slightly larger manual, I guess you would call it. Some specifications, nothing too important there. CD, Clear, WiMAX USB modem CD, fantastic. And to the good stuff. Let's get you in here, a little close up. Basically what we have is the modem on the left-hand side. Small. You have to understand that there is an antenna built into the USB device, so it is important that there is some bit of girth with the device. And we have a nice retractable, I say retractable, it is a articulating USB arm so that you can get slightly better antenna placement, be able to move it back and forth and such, and we'll see what that looks like once we get it actually on the computer and test it out. But for now, that's it. This is the Motorola WiMAX Wave 2 USB adapter for the Clear service, and very excited to get it hooked up with more videos to come to show you some of the real details, and we'll do some speed tests. Thank you very much.